So that's good. All we need now is to get that tapped. So here's the new tapping tool from Banggood. Let's just put the ratchet in the centre to start so that we can open it up. And it's my 3mm tap. So obviously just sits in the end there. I don't think we're going to need the T-bar somehow, but that's a really nice action. Try to line that up, get that as parallel as possible, and that ratchet action really does make the job an awful lot easier. So it's just coming through there now. More like by luck than judgment, managed to come through between the two fins there. So that's sorted. Just going to reverse that now. So put the ratchet down to there and just back that out. There we go. I will deburr that before putting the transistor on there. But that's going to fit like that. Here we have the M3 screw. So a little bit of deburring, and then before fitting the transistor, obviously we'll put some thermal compound on that, and that's going to be really neat. I like it. And another great buy from Banggood.